G'day everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Today I've come to mow a lawn that I'm trying to take out the Kikuyu. So we're trying to take it back to a couch lawn. So what I've been spraying this with is DSMA Clear and Monopoly, both at 10 mils per litre. So I use 60 mils of each in a 6 litre spray pack. And so this here, which you can see, is just 90% Kikuyu. It has done a sensational job of just smashing that Kikuyu. Although my line there is not the straightest. Well, I sort of need to explain what I'm doing, and then so. Yes. I don't know if you call them free. Alright. So the DSMA Clear and the Monopoly shouldn't affect your couch, which it hasn't done. Hasn't affected the ryegrass as much as I was hoping. So that's our ryegrass. I was really hoping for it to smash that, but it hasn't. But wow, look at that. That's as dead as... That has just annihilated this Kikuyu. Annihilated it, which is wonderful. Now, being December, it's probably not the most ideal time to be doing this. I would have probably had the customer have asked earlier to have done this in August, September. But yeah, no, she's cooked. Look at that. She is just beautifully. Although, see that? You still got, though, the worst thing with Kikuyu, you have to just keep spraying it, is that you'll have these runners that are underground, which just sometimes just don't get affected. But, so we're going to go through now and do a bit of hand pulling on the front and the back.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah. And try and take out as much of this Kikuyu that we can. And then we're going to fertilise it, and we've got beautiful rain coming for the next couple of days, which should make it come back looking amazing. Coming into next year, we'll see how we go. We should be pretty good on just getting a couch lawn. So I'm just going to every 2 weeks just come here, and it's just going to look terrible for it. It's going to look terrible in regards to... Yes.
Did you feel the bed?
No, I didn't feel the bed, but I could imagine being dark blue, it would be hot. Alrighty. So thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening. If there's any comments or queries,
I'm also going to be a cameraman in another video. Very short.
yeah, love to hear from you. Thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening, and have a great day. See ya.
Bye.
Okay.